All right, I think we're back. I think we are back. Let's get this out to the world. If you are with me, man, I am sorry for the technical difficulties. Just letting everybody, all my regulars know I'm back on. Okay. All right. Welcome to the stream. We got great internet now. Sound's working. Hopefully I'm not too loud. I'm gonna turn myself down a little bit. If anybody's watching, let me know how I sound. On today's stream, I didn't want to give up, okay? We're 45 minutes late. I didn't want to give up because I have such a great stream planned for today. Should I buy now or should I wait? That is the question that's facing a lot of home buyers right now. 8 out of 10 home buyers are waiting on the sidelines for interest rates to come down. I'm just going to send this link to my wife so she can watch. Make sure the audio is going good. So, housekeeping items, interest rates. Let's take a look at those. Interest rates are very flat from last week. Let's get my camera going here. If you're just tuning into this now, man, it's been a nightmare getting we had our internet go down, computers go down, everything crashed. So let's see. I'm getting phone calls from California. I don't know what's going on. All right, you're just gonna have to deal with the video. I don't know why the quality is so bad, but enough delays. Interest rates are fairly flat. So 6.56 for conforming, FHA at 6.10, VA at 6.12. Let's take a look at some market statistics sent over by Gavin Hutkins over at Berkshire Hathaway. New listings for Clark County, Southwest Washington. 240, that's up 13%. That's great news. It's also great news if we look down at listings sold, 163. For the first time this summer, we've listed more homes than we've sold. So that's great news. May not feel like great news because why would we want listings to slow down, but we need more inventory, especially as interest rates come down. Like I said, 8 out of 10 home buyers waiting on the sidelines for interest rates to come down. So when they do come down and those buyers enter the market, we're gonna see this flip-flop. We're gonna see not enough inventory to meet the demand. That's my projections. If we take a look at lockbox activity, so every time a homeowner opens a lockbox on a house, a real estate agent opens a lockbox on a house, that data is collected, and that's what we're looking at here. Pretty flat, but in the positive direction. We saw lockbox activity increase, 2.1% in Washington, 2.9% in Oregon. Okay, we're in lightning speed mode here because of all the delays. We're gonna dive right into it. I've got 2 homes we're gonna look at. Make sure chat's working. It's a real bummer because we had a ton of people watching when I went down earlier. Okay. All right, so I found a house that reminds me of the Brady Bunch. I really like it. Now, I'm looking at these homes for the most part for the first time with you guys. I did preview them just to get prepared for the stream, but for the most part, I'm looking at these for the first time so we could all have a reaction together. Okay, I think I fixed my camera, or at least it's better. We're almost back in business here, guys. Okay, so this first home we're gonna look at, it's kind of a move up. Maybe somebody that's selling their starter home needs more space. 2304 Southeast Park Crest Avenue, 98683 in Vancouver. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2667 square feet. Built in 1980. It's got that cool split level look. And just from the exterior, this home looks like it's been updated, maybe new windows. It's got lots of character, maybe a wood burning fireplace we'll see here in a second. Let's look at our description. Doing 5 things at the same time. Okay, welcome to your dream home in the highly sought after Cascade Heights neighborhood. Split level home offers 3 beds and 2 full baths on the upper main living area. It comes with a new permitted 2-bed, 1-bath ADU. So that 5 bedrooms includes the ADU. I'm assuming the square footage does too. The ADU has its own kitchen and private laundry. You can offset your mortgage costs by renting out the ADU. That's definitely a possibility. Upgraded kitchen, custom mantle, we'll take a look at that. Vaulted ceilings, open airy feel. Expanded deck, we'll take a look at that. Okay. All right, let's dive into some pictures. So as we, I lost it, let me pull it back up here. As I pull this up, I'm in Long Beach, Washington today. Hi, Troy. Sorry about all the hassle this morning. Thanks for being with us and sticking in. I'm in Long Beach, Washington, and for those who are familiar, it is fishing season right now. It's buoy-tin season, world famous salmon fishery at the mouth of the Columbia River. And my buddies, shout out to Jason and Jeff Richter. They're out in the water right now. They're fishing. I'm gonna go jump in the boat as soon as we're done here. Bear with me, guys. I just lost my home. Go back to it here. Probably should have just called it, but I don't like to give in to IT failures. So we're not going to give in. We're going to roll with the punches. We might have to cancel this episode, guys. I just lost everything I prepared for on the stream. Let me look one more time. It's okay, I think I found it. Okay, I found it. Okay, picture time. All right, so like I said, really nice curb appeal. Got a big flat driveway. Looks like I see some RV storage on the side. Maybe the temporary cover back there. But it's got all the late 70s, early 80s charm. I love the doors, but it looks updated. And again, I think that this style is just coming into fashion again. Okay, what do you guys think about this room? So they've got those beautiful windows, vaulted ceilings. They chose, it looks like tile flooring for their living area. Very cool fireplace. I'm sure we'll get a better picture at it. And there's that custom mantle they talked about, but a nice wide wood burning fireplace. You know, I think that floor would be fine with some big rugs. Well, they didn't give us a good shot of the fireplace. I mean, talk about a selling feature. You got a built-in storage here for your firewood. I wonder why they didn't give us a better picture of that fireplace. Okay, so here's our dining room. Updated kitchen. Looks like painted cabinets. I don't mind it. I think they look good. Looks like we have slab granite, a couple skylights, and can lighting. Now, it wouldn't be that big of a deal to have can lighting, but I could almost guarantee that at one point this home had the fluorescent lights with the big panels. So it's nice to see this kitchen is updated. Cabinets to the ceiling, backsplash to the cabinets. It's a very masculine home. Looks like we have a bar and a cutout looking out into the living room and that fireplace, letting a lot of that light from those big windows in. So this looks like off the dining room. We have a living area with a slider out to the deck. Okay, a little outdated in here, but it works. Wouldn't take a whole lot to update this bathroom. A lot of variety in the flooring. This looks like bedroom number 1. Again, awesome kitchen. You could take that style, come in these bathrooms and update it fairly easily, I believe. Looks like bedroom number 2. Again, different flooring. Utility room. All right, here's an updated bathroom. This must be the primary. So I wonder if you could find out who the contractor, if they hired one to do this bathroom is, and have them come in and do the other 2. Washer and dryer in the bathroom, that's pretty nice. Okay, here's another bedroom, again with different flooring. Looks like another bedroom with the same flooring. Okay, so here's our ADU area, that's what this is. That appears to be another wood-burning fireplace. This is a nice ADU. Nice kitchen. So here's our back deck. Looks like it's in really good shape. Partially covered. Entertaining area in the backyard. It looks like they have a big retaining wall. You could do a fire pit back here. Shed. Lots of concrete. Really nice backyard. Okay. Let's look at some numbers. So if you watched last week, we're kind of continuing the theme of looking at what the house looks like today, if we were to buy it today, and then going into the future and seeing what it would look like if we waited for interest rates to come down. See if I can get our chat window working here. Ah, our chat window's working. Awesome. We're almost back in business. My camera is really choppy, but we're almost back in business here. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm thinking the buyer's probably selling their starter home, moving into a home with more square footage to have a family in. I'm thinking 10% down. We're gonna pull the equity from the house we're selling. We're gonna put that down on this house, probably retain a little bit to come in and remodel those bathrooms. So I think 10% is a good down payment. We're looking at a $699 purchase price on this home. With 10% down, that would make our loan amount $629,000. I'm just going to get another window here where I can highlight. $629,000 is our loan amount. Interest rate, again, straight off of Mortgage News Daily at 6.56. Look at our payment breakdown. Principal and interest with 10% down at 6.56 would be $4,001. Okay. Property taxes on that home are $504 a month. Homeowner's insurance is $100 a month. Again, that's going to fluctuate depending on your insurance agent and what coverages you elect. Mortgage insurance, it's not bad. It's $78. With 10% down, this is going to protect the lender, not the borrower, right? So if this borrower were to default and stop making payments, the mortgage insurance company is going to reimburse the lender a percentage of the value. But it's not bad, $78. We could buy it out here, but right now I'm not a big fan in putting a lot of more money in your closing costs, because the forecast is rates are going to be coming down throughout the year and into next year. And so we're going to be looking for an opportunity to refinance. So we're going to include that $78 in the monthly mortgage insurance. Gives us a total payment of $46.83. Our closing costs, down payment $69,900, $36.91 for closing costs, prepaid taxes, insurance, and interest $5,000. If you want more of a breakdown on this, go watch some of our previous episodes. I'm going a little fast because we are way behind and I'd like to go fishing at some point this morning. So total out-of-pocket expense, $78,591. Let's get into a time machine and let's say we waited a year. Now I did some math and this home has, in 10 years, it has appreciated about $350,000. So when you do the math, that's an increase annually of about $40,000. If interest rates do come down, the market gets crazy again, I don't think it's unrealistic to see this house listed at $750 next summer, okay? Nobody knows for sure, nobody has a crystal ball, but we're gonna pretend that we do, and the house is $750 next summer. 10% down would make our loan amount $675. Interest rate, let's say interest rates drop to 5.5%. They drop a full percent. Our payment goes down $4,546, saving us $137 a month, and our cash to close increases by about $4,000. So not bad, $4 or $5,000. Okay, so yeah, we save a little bit. I don't know how easy it is going to be to get an offer accepted if the market gets crazy again. Let's say we bought it today, and then when rates do drop, we refinance. So here's what a refinance would look like. Our value when we refinance is now $750. Our loan amount increases just a little bit so we can roll in closing costs. But now our interest rate is 5.56. saving us $435 a month. So I think you can see here kind of where I'm going with this, right? When I'm asked the question, and I'm sure Troy gets asked this question too, is now a good time to buy? Should I buy now or should I wait? My answer throughout COVID and all the craziness and the increase in interest rates is you should buy when the right opportunity presents itself. If this house checks your boxes and it's in a highly desirable neighborhood, the homes don't come on the market very often, jump on it. With that said, I do think there should be a little bit of a sense of urgency before rates do start to drop. And I can't argue with Troy's answer. His answer is always, it's always a good time to buy. You know, and when you're looking at these Zillow listings, okay, let's go back. I think one thing that gets overlooked, a lot of people look at it and throw their nose up, but as you look at the sales history, okay, was 2014 a good time to buy? You know, coming out of the recession, they bought this house for $305,000, $699 today. So it's interesting to go back and look at the sales history. Just massive appreciation. Okay, house number 2. Of course, well, I'm going to take this call. This is Jeff Richter. Jeff Richter, you're on live on the stream with our Columbia River Buoy 10 fishing report. How is it?
Yeah, a little bit slow today on the river. We got a very nice day, though. A little bit of a red tide coming in. And there's probably about 10,000 boats right here at the buoy. So it's got at least 20,000 of our favorite friends here right now.
Well, very good. I had some technical difficulties on the stream this morning, so we're running way late, but I'm going to be wrapped up in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
I'll give you a call.
Away here a little bit.
Yeah, I'll give you a call.
All right.
All right, bye. Okay. Yeah, I took a call on my live stream. Thought you guys would want the fishing report. Okay, let's look at our next house. We are going, this is going to be starter home territory. Because whether you're buying your starter home now, your first home, upgrade, downsize, whatever you're doing, I believe now more than it's been in a while, it's critical that you look at everything and try to do it in a smart way, right? Get your financing and your mortgage done in the smartest way possible so you can maximize any wealth accumulated by buying that house. And here's a great starter home. We're up in Richfield, $540,000, 348 North 34th Court, 3 beds, 3 baths, 1983 square feet, built in 2017. It's got a lot the size of a postage stamp, 5,200 square feet. Description. Discover this move-in ready home in the sought-after community of Richfield. Modern open concept, 9-foot ceilings, 3 beds, 2.5 well-appointed bathrooms. Will be the judge. Upstairs includes a versatile office or media nook. Perfect for work or enjoying a good book. Let's be honest, people are going to sit in there and watch YouTube. Appreciate the comfort. Newly carpet, okay? New carpet, upgraded pad, fresh paint. So when somebody says move-in ready, these are the things I'm looking for, right? Updated powder room. This house isn't that old. New epoxy floor and garage, that's a bonus. Corner lot, fully fenced backyard. All right, let's take a look at some pictures. So, real simple, nice curb appeal, nothing wrong here. Flat driveway, 2-car garage. I know some of these homes up in Richfield have single cars, so it is nice you have a 2-car garage. Low maintenance yard, yes, you are close to your neighbors. There's that nice corner lot, I like it. Looks like the paint's good on the house. I like the blue door. Very nice entryway. Manufactured hardwoods. Those flooring. That flooring is very beautiful. I like it. I wasn't expecting to see this much character on a starter home. And the fact that you're walking into a nice entryway and not right into a living space is nice. Wait a second. Does this look weird to you guys? Because here, the front door, I am walking into a living space. But this picture has me walking into a entryway. Troy, what's going on here? Well, this house is being held open today, so you can go see for yourself. There's that new carpet. Gas fireplace. Looks like they do have a stereo system in the ceiling. Nice open concept. I can tell that 1983 square footage, we should have decent sized bedrooms. Tile countertops. So 2017, I wonder if that was an upgrade the builders offered to do slab instead of tile. Nothing wrong here. Very simple, move-in ready. Really like the flooring. Again, I really like the hard. It's too bad the hardwoods don't go throughout the whole great room. Looks like we have a decent sized yard. Let's take a look. And it looks like we just have a breakfast nook here and no formal dining room, which is going to give us more square footage too. Let's be honest, how often do you use a formal dining room anyways? So there's our powder room. Here's our primary bedroom. Really like the interior decorating. It's amazing what a little staging does to your pictures. Primary bath, dual vanity, tile floor, standalone tub. Bedroom number one, bedroom number two. Guest bath. Bedroom number three. Here's our office area. No door. Interesting. Utility room. Man, you know, I said I was making fun of the size of this lot, but that's a really generous backyard. Nice little starter home. Nothing wrong here. Corner lot, great location. Okay, let's take a look at some numbers. Oh, that's a good point, Troy. That agent may have used pictures from a different house on accident. I think you're right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the front door because it had the window next to it. Okay. So exact same scenario, but this time we're looking at FHA. So first-time home buyer. FHA is not a first-time home buyer exclusive program, but it is designed for people getting started in home ownership. It requires 3.5% down. If we look at our interest rates, FHA 6.10. We're so close to being at 5% on government loans. So purchase price $540, loan amount $530, interest rate 6.1%. We look at a payment breakdown. Principal and interest $32.16, property taxes $352, homeowners insurance around $100 a month. FHA has mandatory mortgage insurance and it's expensive, $237 a month. Okay, for a total payment of $39.05. If we bought this house a year from now and it goes from $540 to $590, principal and interest, but interest rates drop, so we're looking at a 5.1%. Our principal and interest drops to $31.48. Property taxes are the same, homeowners insurance the same, mortgage insurance a little bit more. Total payment $38.59. Closing costs, down payment $18,900. Closing costs, prepaids, upfront mortgage insurance, out the door we're looking at $26,591. We could ask the sellers to cover some of our closing costs if we needed to bring that number down. So if we wait a year and the house appreciates and now it's for sale to get the same house $50,000 more, we're saving $46 a month with interest rates being 1% lower. But if we come in and refinance, buy it today and refinance, look at here, interest rate drops to 5.1, total savings $525 a month. What do you guys think? We survived. Troy, I appreciate you jumping on. I had 17 people watching when I started the stream this morning. The internet went down, the routers crashed, my computer crashed. I had to update. It was a nightmare and I gave up. And then it's really hard for me to give up on these things. I gave up. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. I'm gonna go fishing. And I decided to try one more time and all of a sudden the internet came back up. My satellite router's working, everything was working great. So we did it, we're consistent. Next week, I'm gonna be coming live from Las Vegas. So I think we're gonna pick some Las Vegas homes to do live next week at 9 a.m. Thank you so much for being with us. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We have some big goals trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have a long ways to go. Troy, thanks again. We will see you guys next week. Bye.